To import a MetaMask wallet using a seed phrase, you will need to have the seed phrase and access to the MetaMask extension or mobile app. Start by opening MetaMask and clicking on the account icon in the top right corner. Then select Import Wallet. Choose the Import with Seed Phrase option and enter your seed phrase in the correct order, separating each word with a space. Make sure to type the words exactly as they appear in your seed phrase, including any uppercase letters. After entering your seed phrase, create a new password for your wallet and confirm it by re-entering it in the next field. This password will be used to unlock your wallet, so make sure to choose something secure and unique. It is also recommended to create a backup of your seed phrase and store it in a safe location, such as a fireproof safe or a secure note-taking app. Never share your seed phrase with anyone, as it can be used to access and control your wallet. Once you have entered your seed phrase and created a password, click on the Import button to import your wallet. MetaMask will then sync your wallet and display your account balance and transaction history. It is also important to note that importing a wallet using a seed phrase will restore all of the accounts and assets associated with that seed phrase. So be careful when doing this to avoid any potential losses. By following these steps, you can easily import your MetaMask wallet using a seed phrase and regain access to your accounts and assets. Always prioritize the security of your wallet and seed phrase to protect your cryptocurrency holdings.